Hello everyone, I received this beautiful Chanel box. I thought I will open it with you. Yes, I found it on the website. Can you believe that? I can believe that. Let's see first the free samples. Yep, and Chanel numéro 5. Again, no difference. Two Chanel numéro 5. Wow, okay. Two, and this sample. And then, can't believe it, I found it. Love it too. This is the symbol de Chanel, le Camélia, because I didn't have the Camélia, le Camélia, but I will have it as souvenir too. Yeah. Wow, I didn't open it before. Oh, this is gorgeous. The for warm gold. I love it. Gorgeous. Anyway, so this is the unboxing. I hope for everyone to have a very nice holiday, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will put all the links down below for you guys to be easy for you to subscribe, and I will see you in 2024.